All right, let's get into the problem solving mode again today. What do we have today? If x equal to 1 plus 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 4 to the power 1 by 3, then find 1 plus x whole divided by x, the whole raised to 2016. All right, now since we have to find 1 plus x divided by x, and we already know x is this, let us first try to simplify this expression and then try to get the value for 1 plus x. Okay, how can we simplify this further? This can be written as x equal to 1 plus 2 to the power 1 divided by 3 plus 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2, and this already has the power 1 by 3. So this now gets simplified to 1 plus 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power 2 by 3. This is x. Let's just call it as equation number 1. Now, if we have to find out 1 plus x, 1 plus x would be, we just have to add another 1 over here. And then we have this expression as it is, 1 plus 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power 2 by 3. This whole thing is anyway there as it is. And here we are having a plus symbol. So what does this get simplified to? This becomes 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power 2 by 3. Now this can also be written as 2 to the power 3 by 3. 3 by 3 is 1, so which is 2 raised to 1 plus 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power 2 by 3. Or let's try to put it in proper order, in say ascending order. So we have this term first, 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power, this will be the second term, 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 2 to the power 3 by 3. So what is common in all of these? 2 to the power 1 by 3 is common in all of these. So the first term will be 1, 2 to the power 1 by 3 into 1 is 2 to the power 1 by 3. Then what next? 2 to the power 1 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 3 will give us 2 to the power 2 by 3, because we know 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3, and we also know that 2 to the power 1 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 3 will be equal to 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, which is 2 to the power 2 by 3, right? So this 2 to the power 2 by 3, which is what we have here, is nothing but 2 to the power 1 by 3 into another 2 to the power 1 by 3. And then we add 2 to the power 2 by 3 here using the same technique. All right, now this is the simplified form. So this is as good as, let me put this as rough work here. So this becomes equation 2. Now if you look at equation 1, 1 plus 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power 2 by 3 is nothing but x, which is this part, which means equation 2, if we just put the value of, if we just replace this part with x, what do we get? 1 plus x equal to 2 to the power 1 by 3 into x, right? Because this is nothing but this value. So if we now bring x to the other side, to the left hand side, this becomes 1 plus x divided by x equal to 2 to the power 1 by 3. Now taking cube on both sides, we get 1 plus x divided by x whole cube equal to 2. And what are we supposed to find? 1 plus x divided by x to the power 2016. So 2016, but we already have 3 here. So what more we need to multiply? To get that, we need to just divide by 3 and see what is the number we are getting. So 3 6 are 18, 2 carry, so 3 7s are 21, and 3 to the 6. So if we now do something like this, 1 plus x whole divided by x to the power 3 whole power 672 is equal to 2 whole power 672. This is the same as 1 plus x divided by x whole power 3 into 672, which is nothing but 2016. And this is equal to 2 to the power 672. That's about it. So this is how we solve this problem. And while it might have looked a little complex initially when we looked at the cube roots, etc., and also to the power 2016, but actually speaking, it is not complex. We just need to see if we can bring it to some particular form. And all that we did is we just took the value of x, simplified it further so that we have everything as 2 to the power, and then so we addressed x first with a more simplified form, and then what we did as a next step, we just tried to find 1 plus x and then just try to evaluate this expression. All right, I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have any other question that you want me to create a video on, please post them in the comment section. Thank you very much. Have a great day.